Welcome to Inner Vitality, your source for natural wellness education.
Cucumber water is trending across the USA. But what actually happens when you drink it every morning?
The results may surprise you, Fredeo. From hydration to skin glow, gut balance, and morning detox. Cucumber water is simply water infused with cucumber slices, releasing electrolytes, antioxidants, and natural cooling compounds. Cucumbers contain vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, silica, and refreshing antioxidants that hydrate your body deeply. Cucumber water hydrates your cells faster because it contains natural electrolytes like potassium that help water absorption. The cooling compounds in cucumber may reduce bloating and support smoother digestion. It supports gentle detoxification by flushing out excess sodium and helping your kidneys work efficiently. Cucumber enzymes support early morning digestion and help your stomach handle breakfast better. Drinking cucumber water before meals helps control appetite and reduces unnecessary snacking. Cucumbers contain anti-inflammatory compounds that support joint comfort and muscle relaxation. Your skin becomes better hydrated, which may reduce dryness and promote a natural glow. Silica and antioxidants in cucumbers support collagen health and skin elasticity. The potassium in cucumbers helps maintain fluid balance, which may support healthy blood pressure. Deep hydration boosts your morning energy, reducing tiredness and brain fog. Cucumber water may help your kidneys eliminate waste more efficiently. Its cooling nature can help soothe acidity and support a calm digestive system. Slice fresh cucumbers, add them to a pitcher of clean water, and let it infuse for at least 30 minutes. You can add mint, lemon, or ginger to enhance the taste and benefits. Drink it first thing in the morning for the best hydration and detox effects. 1 or 2 glasses per day are enough for daily wellness support. People with kidney conditions or water retention issues should consult a doctor first. One simple morning drink can boost hydration, digestion, detox, skin glow, and daily energy. Stay healthy, stay vital, porters. And don't forget to subscribe.